So today's goal is a little bit of a strange one, but we're going to try and climb this tree. And the reason we want to try and climb this tree is because of this scar here. This is a lightning scar. And what has happened is the tree was struck by lightning. And once this tree is struck by lightning, all the sap and the liquid inside the tree gets superheated, expands, and cracks the bark. And that's how this scar appears. What we're going to try and do is we're going to try and climb the tree and see if we can find the actual spot where lightning struck this tree. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we can do. Hold on, I don't know what I'm doing. I need a minute. Toby, go get the ladder. Ceasefire. This wood right here, not that you would climb way up in a tree to get it, but this is called fat wood, full of resin. This is an amazing fire starter right here. But we're gonna try and keep climbing up this tree. All right, everybody. Well, we have gotten relatively high in the tree, but the wind is really kicking up. The entire tree is swaying, and this feels a lot more sketchier than I anticipated. So I think this is going to be where we call it. We're about halfway up the tree, maybe. What do my camera people think? Halfway?
Yes.
Yeah, they think about halfway. Sorry we couldn't get you further up in the tree, but I think it's going to be a safer bet to sort of head down. So that's what we're going to start doing. So we'll see you on the ground.
Well, I learned today that climbing a tree is much more difficult than I actually thought. But luckily we have the drone, and we can use the drone to fly up the lightning scar and zoom in and take a closer look. It turns out, after all our work and all our effort, that it wasn't as exciting as I would have hoped. But we learned a lot. I hope you learned a lot, and we really appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.